Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy and I am all about simplifying everything. In today's video, I want to share with you one thing that helped me take my life from one filled with lack to one of abundance and joy. So before I made the decision to live a simpler life, my life was absolutely chaotic. It was hectic, it was full of negativity, and I was one of those cup half empty sort of people. I was just never happy with anything. So one of the things that I did to take my life and my attitude from one of lack to one of abundance was to just start looking for the beauty in everything. Whenever I found myself wanting to start complaining about something, and let me tell you, back then that was all the time, I would just stop myself and just try to find the positive in the situation. I would try to find something positive to say instead of complaining, and I found that just doing that absolutely changed my mindset and my attitude, and my life just immediately got simpler, calmer and better. I think it was Andy Warhol who said that everything has beauty but not everyone sees it, and it's my experience that that is true. The moment I decided that I was going to start looking for the beauty in things, it kind of got easier to see the beauty. What you're focusing on is what you get in life. So because I was always focusing on what was wrong and what was negative and what was ugly in my life, that was all I could see. And as a result, there was more to complain about. But when I started actively looking for the beauty, actively looking for the positive things, I found actually there's a lot of positivity around me, there's a lot of beauty around me. And then it became easier to see it. And the more I looked for it, the more I saw it, and the happier I became. Because it's really hard to be a miserable, uptight, angry person when you are surrounded by beauty. You know, beauty really is everywhere that you look. I'll give you an example. So the video that you're looking at now is my dog Bruno going for a swim in a little secluded beach that we found off a park. Now, the first time we found this park, we were like, ugh, it's not really that awesome a place to be. I mean, on one side there is an abattoir. There are more prickles than grass underfoot. In the evening, the mosquitoes will eat you alive, and it is directly under a flight path, so there are really loud planes coming over all the time. But because I was looking for the beauty, we decided to drive a little bit further down into the park, and we ended up discovering this little beach. So there's a beautiful beach, and there's breezes coming off the river, and you can see the bridge in the distance, and Bruno loves to swim. So because we actually went looking for the beauty, we didn't just get to the park, look at all the negatives and go, nah, that's it, going home. We dug a little bit deeper, went looking for something beautiful to find, and we found it. We found this beautiful secluded beach. Now we're there all the time, in the morning at sunrise and in the evening at sunset, and it's gorgeous. Who would have thought that you'd find a little beach in the inner city? So the beauty is there, you just have to look for it. And you know what, if you really feel that you can't find the beauty in your life or where you live or who you're with, make your own. You know, if you're living in an ugly apartment, grab a few bulbs and plant them in a pot, and in a few weeks you'll have gorgeous flowers. If you can't find beauty, then make your own. You are responsible for your life, and if you want a happy, beautiful, simple life, then you need to take action. Either look for the beauty or make your own. Make delicious food, paint, draw, sing. whatever you feel will bring beauty into your life, do that. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will speak with you in the next video. Until then, take it easy.